This video shows some common acupuncture points to massage in order to relieve anxious feelings. Acupressure is a technique similar to acupuncture. In acupressure, you are the one applying massage to specific points to stimulate your own body to self-regulate. Using acupressure, you may be able to calm your mind and relax your body to relieve symptoms of anxiety. You might want to use acupressure when you are ruminating over something or when you feel overwhelmed. When you apply acupressure, use firm pressure. Move your fingers or thumb in a circular motion or an in and out motion. I like to use a combination of both types of motion. Finally, you should feel the acupressure in your whole being, both body and mind. To achieve a complete effect, here are some suggestions. Massage firmly and repetitively. Make sure you breathe deeply and let your whole body relax. Massage long enough to notice a change in how you feel. Heart 7 is located at the wrist just medial to the ulnar tendon. PC6 is located between two tendons. The first one, Heart 7, helps calm your mind. The next slide contains some more information on PC6. To find PC6, measure 2 finger widths from your wrist crease and then find the point between the two tendons. PC6, or pericardium 6, helps you to calm both your mind and stomach and is a good one for when you feel anxious along with nausea or butterflies in your stomach. Heart 8 and pericardium 8 are acupoints found on the palm adjacent to the knuckles. Heart 8 is located between the 4th and 5th metacarpals, those of your ring and pinky. Pericardium 8 is located between the 2nd and 3rd metacarpals, those of your index and ring fingers. To acupressure Heart 8, use the tip of your thumb to massage this small area. To acupressure pericardium 8, again use the tip of your thumb to massage in this small area. Kidney 3 is located on the medial ankle between the Achilles tendon and the prominence of the medial malleolus. CV12 is between the sternocostal angle and the belly button. If one of your symptoms is a tight stomach, try massaging here, or try putting the palm of your hand on your belly to comfort yourself. These next 4 points are located over the rib cage and can help you release tension in this area of your body. From top to bottom, they are stomach 12, stomach 13, kidney 25, and CV 17. Stomach 12 is located in the depression above the middle of your clavicle. Massage here to feel the effect on your breathing and your whole chest. Stomach 13 is located on the other side of the clavicle from stomach 12. I like to feel how stomach 13 relieves tension in my arms as well as my rib cage. Give it a try. Kidney 25 is located in the space below the second rib, and a couple of finger widths lateral to the sternum. In general, don't worry too much about finding the correct rib. Look for a tender spot between your ribs and massage while you breathe deeply. CV17 is located over your sternum. You might be wondering why you would massage here since there are no muscles like in a typical massage. Again, you want to feel the effect with your breath, emotions, and your whole body. The acupoint Do20 is on the top of the head. Use the top of your ears as a guide to go straight up to your crown. In Chinese language, the Do20 acupuncture point translates to 100 meetings. Sometimes it feels like 100 thoughts are in your head. Press here to calm your mind and spirit and give yourself a rest. Acupressure is intended to be an adjunct to, not a replacement for professional care. If you are working with something particularly traumatizing, or if you feel worse after doing acupressure, please seek help from a qualified healthcare provider.